What is up, everyone? Today I wanted to go over the tips and tricks of grooming for people with sensitive skin, since this is a very important topic. This video is in partnership with King C Gillette, which I've done in the past. I love, and it's a holiday season, so if you're looking for something for a loved one or even yourself, this is perfect because they have everything you need to keep your face looking fresh and stylish. Step 1. Wash and clean. You don't want to start shaving your face while your face is dirty. All of the dirt, bacteria, and grime throughout the day is going to get into your pores and cause the irritation and the bumps that you're going to experience afterwards. The great thing about King C Gillette's beard and face wash is that it's going to be cleaning not only your beard but your face at the same time, so you're killing two birds with one stone, and it's the best thing to do prior to shaving. This is the key first step to make sure there's no irritation afterwards.
This is reality.
Step 2. The trim up. Carefully use a trimmer to get rid of any loose hairs on your chin, on your neck, on your beard in general. That way you can have the most stylish and most refined style that you're going for. I like to do this to give shape to my jawline and also give my beard a more graduated effect. Step 3. Define your line. Using the King C Gillette trimmer, trim your hair where your jawline meets your neck. No higher, no lower. This is the perfect spot to give your jawline the most definition possible. Don't worry if it's not perfect, you'll go in with a razor and refine everything there. Step 4. Shave. Use a transparent shave gel like this one from King C Gillette. That way you can actually see what you're doing as you're shaving. Now the key here, the most important thing, is to shave in the direction that your hair grows, never against the grain. That is where you'll get the skin irritation, the bumps, and the potential for cuts. This is King C Gillette's neck razor, which uses their skin guard technology between the blades to help minimize the contact of the blades on sensitive skin. This helps to stop irritation you may experience with other razors. And on the back is the single edge blade for all of your precise, intricate details on your edges. Step 5. Use an oil. This is King C Gillette's beard oil, which is going to be great for nourishing and moisturizing the skin that you just shaved, as well as conditioning your beard. This is a must-have for finalizing your shave and keeping your skin healthy. So there you guys have it. I hope you enjoyed. For anybody that has sensitive skin, if you follow these steps, it should help out a lot. Once again, thank you to King C Gillette for partnering this video. If you want to see anything, I'll have all the links in the description below. Happy holidays, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Alright, bye.